Hello again. Hello, welcome back. I have to update the JIT actually to commit it to the GitHub repository. There is a JIT utility which I need to install it and uninstall the previous JIT and install the new JIT to make the things work. Now everything is actually ready. Probably what we will do here is we will experiment more with other things. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do here. Maybe I will run it as administrator mode. Okay. So just a minute. Maybe I will run it as administrator so that it will be able to register it if needed. Okay. So that's what. So let me open it now. So maybe we will experiment with other things as well. Okay. Maybe that might be good. That might be a good idea. So let's complete. Maybe let me try to compile it. I just removed that intermediate files and other stuff. So probably might need to recompile it again and then load it so that you will be able to see the new EurekaSim again in action. Let's try to confirm because we want to experiment with the set of codes. Okay, so that's why I'm just. So this was the last thing which we actually committed. Now we will try to give some sort of a different commands and see what sort of things it is going to generate. Okay, what sort of code is going to generate. So that's what our idea here. Maybe uh, okay. Uh, Maybe demo experiment raw car. Okay, so this was the maybe what we will do here is maybe we will try to update, uh, try to give more things to like ChatGPT. Take the ChatGPT now, ChatGPT, and we will take the previous discussion. So that might be now. Maybe we'll take the previous discussion. So this much we have actually done. Okay. Maybe what we can do here is maybe we will ask to draw. We will ask to take this other portion as well. Okay. So draw cat, draw vertex, draw helicopter. Maybe we'll try to give few more things. Okay. To it. Okay. Uh, or we will show properties, draw scene. There is a cube as well. Draw cat, draw car. Or I will tell it this car doesn't have, this car doesn't have a front, a glass. I mean a front window, front glass. Maybe just two cubes, one placed over another to look like a car. Please change. Anyway, let's see. Uh, yeah, windshield. Now it's actually trying to do something. Okay, maybe let me try. Maybe copy it, then just paste it and see how it was. Take it from here. Then just try to place it. See whether there is any effect. You try to add some code. Anyway, let's try. My object demo, you thought, let me change the background. So it's getting worse. Okay. It's, it got worse. It got, let me see what it's going to do. Like we are just layering boxes without hitting the realistic carbide. Windshields, put windshield, roof, window, truck. And then execute the profile along with the windshield, build a side profile and extrude. And so it has done something, but trunk slope. Um, define the 2D profile in XZ plane side view. Maybe I will place it. Okay. So what it actually said? Use simple trapezoids and front and rear view. Circle pants, extruded disc, side profile. Can you revert back? Maybe I will revert back now. Okay. Maybe I will put a please place a wind shield. Maybe maybe we'll tell it like that. Okay. So hopefully it should understand. So we'll tell one by one and see what actually happens. Please write the whole routine. Write the whole routine. Let me see. So I'm just writing, trying to get the whole routine. So I just can copy and paste it. Okay. Maybe one by one, if I tell, probably it can. Uh, Maybe copy it. Then let me paste it. Okay. Paste. Now let's try to combine. See what happens. Uh, True. So it placed, it started to be getting realistic. Okay, please place the windshield in all places, right? Place the windshield. Please place the shield in all other sides. Place the shield. SHI in all other sides. Maybe this time it should we now are okay. So this is how it needs to generate. Okay. So just by using some commands, we'll be able to generate things. So as it shows. Okay. Maybe if this is completed, then we will stop it here. Okay. This object shield. Let me try. Let me copy and paste the full paste. Okay. Let me try. Uh, car. Uh, it started getting realistic. Okay. Shield. Please put the shield in the front as well as the back of the car. Okay. Maybe that we will put. Okay. Please put the shield. Put the shield. SHIELD in the front as well as back and make it transparent. So let's see. Uh, so probably this time, let me see. Hopefully this should work. Okay. Copy. Uh, just pasting it. Let me try to combine. So something is not there. EL blend and alpha. Maybe I didn't declare. Okay. That's the reason for GL quad. What we will do is we probably might already be okay. So we will what we will do here is we will put the GL blunt. Okay, we will paste it here and we will define it. Okay, GL blunt. I don't know what is the GL blunt value. What is the GL blunt value? So probably GL blend what is HCl blend value in gl.h. So that we need to find it out. Yeah. So this is what I need. Okay. So I need to put it here. Same is the case with then one more thing, right? EL SRC alpha. So that also I need to define. These are all defined in EL SRC. What about this is actually defined here? Okay. What about the value of in gl dot h? Okay. So now it knows it. Probably it might paste it now. So some of the portions I have actually done. Some of the things I might need to put it in the header file because we need to know the value. I had actually created that GL quad, GL and other stuff, just only the necessary things to draw this thing. Okay. So if you want to extend it, then probably we might need to add this thing as well. GL blend or GL alpha. This we can find it like this. Okay. This I know that this is actually defined in gl.s. That's the reason I am just directly typing all these things and getting the values. And probably we might need to have other things as well. So this is actually here object demo experiments dot h. Okay. So it might taking a bit time. What happens? What we will do here is we will just search it in Git. You don't need to maybe here. Yes, it is actually defined in .h. Probably it might take it from here. Taking a bit. Maybe we'll put a refresh. See what actually happens. Is the value of in gl.h. Yeah, gl alpha here. So this either you can ask like ChatGPT like this, or you can go to the header file, Visual Studio header file, and then find it out as well. Okay, same thing. Okay, because this is actually OpenGL related things, this will be there. Okay, so even if it actually created like this, some problematic code, you can still live with this like this. Okay, hash define. So if you don't have much idea regarding OpenGL, then we can go through this header file as well. Maybe I will show you later the header file. Okay, what about the value of in gl.h? Yeah. So this is also done. Okay. So we will take it and paste it here. Okay. So let's try to compile it now. Hopefully this should compile now. Yes, it compiled. Okay. Now let's try. Let's try to do what it's actually done. Okay. Maybe it is actually gone transparent, but it had taken up all the other things front and back. But uh, uh, actually this it is not the side that needs to be made transparent. It is the front steering side. Maybe I will say like is the front side steering wheel. we need to make transparent PA and the backend, not in the sides. Okay, let me. Yeah. Now probably it might do the things. Okay, let's try. Hopefully this time it should work. Copy. Let's try to double click it again, then paste it. Okay. Then let's try to compile it. Okay. Hopefully this should work now. Now what happened? Something else which also come. GL enable. Maybe we need to put it like this. Okay. It actually forgotten. Okay. Now it okay. Should be part of that. Again, same thing, same problem. Now it should be fine. So probably sometimes we might it might be remembering it, forgetting the context, and probably it might be speaking some other code. Okay, so in that case you might need to manually do it. Okay, because I think this is checking this. This is not the front. Let me mention that this is not the front. It is started getting better. It's not the front side. Wait a minute. Hello, hello. Yeah, പിന്നെ വിളിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. Sorry, thank you. It's not the front side. Uh, the front side is the one with uh, small length, small width. Maybe. Let me see. Let me clarify it. Okay, it is actually, maybe if we clarify it, this is actually X, Y, Z. Okay, front side is the one which is facing the X direction. Maybe I will tell it like that. Okay, front side is the one which is facing the x direction. Now let's see. Okay. So it might be is create the full code without forgetting the context. Like, okay, this time it should uh, let me see. It's doing something. Draw wheel. Draw wheel. Yeah, okay. Copy. Uh, so copy it. Then let's paste it now. Let's paste. Then compile it again. This time it should work. Car. Yes. Now things are fine. Very good. What about the rear portion? So it seems to be okay. Okay. This time can you put a steering? Maybe that way. Can you put can you place a steering and a person? Steering and a person in the front. That's let me see. Probably let me see. Hopefully this should work. Maybe I will copy it. Maybe this much. What I will do here is this much. Maybe I will commit it to SVN. Okay, this much part seems to be working. So what I will do is I will commit this portion. Commit updated source to git with basic car with the front. Uh, okay, so let me commit and push. Okay, cross. Now I will modify it. Okay, otherwise it might be tough. Okay, so let me copy it. Then again take the car. Then I paste it. Okay, so that I can, if I want, I can revert it to the original version. Okay, so likewise, we also everybody needs to do this because these we don't know what type of code this is going to generate. Okay, if it generate correct code, then that is fine. Otherwise, you should be able to revert it to the original version. Okay, so that's what the idea here. Uh, Maybe. What happened? Where's the car gone? No car. Let me show. No car shown. Maybe this is why I actually committed it to SVN, okay? So that I can revert it back. The changes. Yeah. Uh what is this GL? So it actually forgotten. See this GL, what is this? OpenGL. So it's there. Copy. Let me see. Let me try to combine it now. Tried something, but it's not realistic. Something draw it along the x direction. Draw it along the x. Which one is this? X. Please draw it along the x z direction. Right? X and y direction. Please draw it along the x and y direction, right? The steering in the front. X, y direction. Let me see what actually happens. Copy. Let me check. Hopefully this should work. Anyway, this is amazing. At least it is generating some code. Previously, we can't even think about it. We need to think about all sort of things, then you need to generate the code. Yes, it is again no car. Maybe I can again no car, no car, no car wrong. Please remember that I need to draw a car with person driving. Maybe this time What happened? So it reached the limit, I believe. Yeah, yeah. Let me paste it and stop it. Okay, probably it might be reaching its limit. Free limit, I believe. Okay. Now let's copy it. Then again paste it. Uh, Now this should be okay, I believe. Uh, Let me see. It has drawn something, but it is not transparent. Not able to see it. Not able to see the person. Not able to see the person in transparent window. Maybe I will say not able to see the person through transparent window in the front. Also, other side roofs are missing as well. Let me see. So this is one experiment which seems to work. Okay, not everything is working, but something workable code is actually generating, but it is not remembering the context. So that uh, hopefully this should work. So for window on the left and right side. Let me copy it and see what actually happens. Okay. Let me compile. Everything is compiling. It's not specifying anything. So probably we might need to revert it back. Okay. So that's the reason why it's probably the command which we had given may not be that good. Okay. So I'm actually reverting it back to my original revision. Then I'm just loading it. Then see if the previous thing is actually here. Maybe let me see. So maybe maybe I will ask just only that can you draw a steering on the transparent window? That's what I want to maybe I will give this code so that maybe I will create a new chart now. Okay, so this might be good. Uh, where is that new chart? Can you draw a or maybe we on the code below, which is based on I open GL view, which is mapped to the methods defined in OpenGL 1.1 specification in gl.h. So let me see. Right, full for maybe. So we will do it one by one. Sometimes I believe it is better that we write our own code, okay, without asking ChatGPT to generate code. Sometimes it might be good, as it is taking a lot of time. This is if we didn't give the correct command, then we may not. It might be understanding in a different way. So that might be a worse thing. Let me draw car. Let me see. Just take it. It's actually placed in the front. Okay, steering wheel is actually in the front. See this. So it depends. The command is actually we had given the command, but the command was not correct. So it actually placed the steering wheel like that. Okay. Please place the steering wheel in the plane. Please place the steering in the transparent front transparent windshield window plane. So let me see. Create. Please create the full code. The, the full code. Let me see. Hopefully this time we copy it. Let me see. So let me try. See, this is not in the plane, okay? It should be in the XY plane. X and Y plane, okay? Maybe I need to put the steering should be in the X Y plane of the transparent windshield. Let me see. Full code. Oh, it's generating some code. Okay, when paste. So alpha blending and other stuff is also there. Paste. It is there, yes, but it is not able to see it only from the side. Not able to see in the x direction. Not able to see in the xy plane. So this is xy plane. The xy plane. See this. See this. So it is there, but in a different direction. Okay. So this is y, x, o, y, z. Probably we can put it like that. We place it in the y, z plane. Place steering in the y, z plane and x only outward to see the front view. Let me see. Okay. Since this is 3D, we create full code. Oh, anyway, this is with this, we will be able to, if you are able to train a system, AI system, then it will be able to generate code like this. Okay, may not be a perfect code, but it will generate some code from which we will be able to modify it if needed. So just copy. So based on our command, this is actually responding. That's for sure. Just check it. Check. Now no steering. No steering. Where steering has gone? Didn't created the steering. Okay, no steering. So let's probably it depends on what type of command which we are going to give. Okay, we might need to give the right command to the system so that it will generate right code. Okay, which at this point of time don't have much idea. So probably we might need to experiment with this more on this later. Okay, probably others will be able to put more into this. Anyway, based on the commands, it is generating something, so that will be a really good sign. So we will stop it here, and we will be reverting back the changes. Okay, the other changes which is not perfect, so we will be reverting. We just reverted. I will be reverting. See this. This is what the changes it actually created. If you want, you can see the change. This drop car is having these sort of changes. So what we will do here is we will try to revert this thing and keeping the old one for now. So we'll be back with the more experimentations later when we actually get time. But for the time being, we will be stopping this thing. I hope that the students will or the interns will be able to get a better idea of how we can do something with this sort of video recording. So that's what my intention on how to give the command and how to generate the some of the code using this chat GPT. So I hope that I had actually covered enough so that you will be able to take it up to the next level. Okay, thank you.